sosyal na direktor ng ating market. Sa lang yung mga sama sa market. Give it up. We're proud of you. Pinagpapasalamat ko sa pagkate. Alam mo ito yung kanyang sinasabi. Marami na maninita. Hindi na po sila nakikita ng gulay. Sila po ay naging realtor. Sila na yung nagpapabuti. Mali naman. Sapagkat marami akong gusto na pagtinda sa palinginan. And correcting records, putting it to right order is the right way. That's why to our director, Director Mason, congratulations and to your team. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Hindi ko sa mga kalyo, dito sa harap. Kasi parang napuputol niyo ako dalawa, pareho ka ng mga kapal kayo. Anyway, good morning. Hi! Parang nanlalamya pa kayo. Malapit na kayo sa maya. Okay, magkalala. Parang may nalalaman na kayo. Parang may tumatakbo ng papel. Rest assured that no matter what our fiscal challenges, in our own little way, we live with this year. Steady lang tayo dyan sa dito. But today, pinagpalang araw sa lungsod ng Maynila. Ang lungsod ng Maynila, yung Lunes Santos, talagang pinagpapala. Ngayon po napakarami po natin bisita. Una po, nandito po ang dating natin pinapakakas senador na ngayon ay presidente ng Manila Hotel, Senador Joey Lina. Congratulations to President Joey Lina ng Manila Hotel sa pagkakahapon ay matagumpay na nailusad na binuhay muli through his leadership yung Flores de Mayo sa Maynila. Nakakapagpapagpapag na po, natutuwa po yung mga tao. And we are happy as a city government partnering with our private sector to give opportunity to future famous designers, Filipino designers. Kung tawag fruit. Pero kilala, fruit. Yes, good morning. Mga future designer ng ating bansa na bigyan ng oportunidad or what you call tulad na lagi natin sinasabi sa Maynila is a window of opportunity. And next year, we're gonna go big and bigger for our Flores de Mayo. Ito ay patuloy na gawain ng inyong pamahalaan sa private sector upang ating pagyamanin ang ating sining, kultura at tradisyon, hindi lang bilang Manileño, but bilang Pilipino. Kaya muli, palakpakan natin si Senador Joey Lina. Nandito rin, sayang, bagong sa kalbo. Nakakasal lang ang ating minamahal, kapwa lingkod bayan sa Ilocos Region, ang ating Vice Governor Matthew Marcos Manoto. Kasama ang kanyang may bahay na si Jamie Barrel. At isang taga-downtown din natin na si Renzi C. and Miss Elma Ocampo Gabriel, Ilocos Norte Chief Micro Small Medium Enterprise. At sa po ng kanilang mga kasamahan. Alam po ninyo, ito mga darating na linggo. Sunod-sunod po ang mga taga-Ilocos na darating dito. At natutuwa ko, last week, Las Nueva Ecija, and all other provinces and LGUs na may produkto ng agrikultura. Lagi ko sinasabi way around. They are doing us a favor by bringing their goods, agricultural products, and all other products from the provinces being showcased, and Manileños have access to high quality, fresh produce from their respective locality and quality goods with a good price. Sabi ko sa kanya,
Kanina sa Facebook. Pero pinigil ko na, maubos na yung data ko.
bibili ng sili, nung marami nakadisgrasya ng bawang.
Kanina ka ba?
Sa liwa yung bawang. Pwede kang bumili ng isang sako na bili sa kilo sa presyo ng kampo. So, I think it's the other way. Why we wanted to share.
Kasi dito bawal daw yung van magbaba. Bawal magbaba yung van dyan. Kaya doon ako bumaba sa likod ng ano.
Consumer,
So, may ginagawa dyan, di ba, na drainage. Kaya taga layo ko nang nilakad.
lalo na to our institutional buyer in the city. If our businesses will have better price, good quality products that they need in their respective businesses, mas maganda ang markup. At maganda ang markup, maganda ang sales. Pag maganda ang sales, there are two things that will happen. They will hire more jobs. They need more jobs. And si Levi Pacundo, tuwan-tuwa, pagdating ng December 31, kasi magbabayad sila ng business tax. So, if we continue to go to this journey, bridging,
May event pa, di ba? Alas 8. 8 o'clock may event.
buyers,
Parang dito lang din.
everybody wins. That's why today, darating po dito ang mga produkto galing sa Ilocos Norte. Muli, maraming salamat sa ating Vice Governor Matthew Marcos. At yayayain natin siya magsalita maya-maya. Pero bago yun, nais ko po pasalamat naman sa mga taga-downtown. Our fellow Manileños, Filipino-Chinese, from Chiang Kai-shek family. Halika po dito. Halika. Ito po. Nagtanong sila. Ito daw may tutulong nila sa Maynila. Sabi, magbigyan nyo na kami ito. Dahil marami ko sa mga tulongges dito sa Maynila. Again, yung request natin na magbigyan. As you can see in front of you, there is another new sets. Ang sisenta na natin ito. Muna, sisiya. Tapos yung sisiya. Yun. Tapos ito naman sa Chiang Kai-shek. Ito mga gamit ito yung ginagamit natin upang mas epektibo ang karagdagang pain in preventing. We'll go after them no matter what. Hahanapin natin sila kahit sa sulok ng bundok ng tralala para papanagutin sa mata ng batas. But for now, thank you very much from Chiang Kai-shek, Mr. Johnson Tan, Honorary Chairman, Mr. Edward Q, Treasurer, Ms. Margarita Go, Auditor, Dr. Judelio Yap, President, Dr. Roland Chua, Vice President, Ms. Margaret Salvador, Director. Ayan po silang lahat. O, lakasan ninyo. Kahit tag-init, mabasasa na kayo ng ulan. Nang dumami pa kayo. Muli, on behalf of the people of Manila, thank you very much sa inyo. Pumanatag kayo. Through the leadership of General Santiago, we will utilize it fully for public purpose. Maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala ninyo sa Manila Police District. Thank you very much. Nag-over muna lang kami.
Kalas tanong ulit. Kalas kayo ulit ah.
Balik.
Balik.
So tayo ulit konti. Pulas na. Baka mamaya, ano tawag niyo sa mga babae? Ano, sunspot ba tawag doon?
Ay,
Plasma?
bakit?
Pelasma? Melasma? Melasma sa Gedli, bandang nangka. But again, thank you very much to Shanghai Sek. Palakpakan natin sila. Talagang mabiyaya ang ating linggo. At ngayon ay na-score, siyempre. Hindi naman po pwede. Bumiyahe pa to ng 8 oras para makasama natin dito sa ating flag ceremony. And I'm honored that, ang Ilocos Norte ay isa sa mga probinsyang matatagumpay. I was there. I saw it. Good for them. I'm happy for them. But today, I'm happy also to receive people from Ilocos to experience and deal with the people of Manila. Lalong-lalo na, nandito yung ating mga institutional partner. Pwedeng tumingin na mamaya. Diamond Hotel, Gilbert Paño, Sarina Sarmiento, Justin Mendoza, Danilo de la Cruz, Aviary Cafe, Mr. Larry C., Cafe 1919, ito maraming branch to. Yung Cafe 1919, ano to? Yung maraming masarap ang tinapay nito. At saka mahilig to sa, masarap yung sisig ko. Masarap yun eh. Saka yung bangus ko na, may kamatis, sibuyas. Masarap yun sa 1919. Eden Pritz Castromero and Almer Taño. Bayview Park Hotel, Eugene Yap, Leslie Gonzalez, Rosana Rojas. Sana makapamili kayo ng mga paninda na galing sa Ilocos Norte. But for now, I would like to welcome and give him a warm welcome to speak before us, to greet us, Vice Governor Matthew Marcos Manotoc.
Maraming salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa ating mga Ilocano. Just check nina na yung magabigat. Sa ating mga Bisaya, daghang salamat. Tama ba, Jamie? Unang-una po, I'd like to thank, of course, ang haba po ng pangalan, but let's just say, Yorme Isko. And of course, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Senator Joey Lina, my friend, the talented singer Crystal Bagatsing, my PGIN family, all of my kakailian from Ilocos Norte, sa lahat ng ating kasama sa City Hall. Once again, a very good morning to all of you and thank you for joining us this morning. Though I know you're not here for me, you're here for Yorme. And of course, my only and better half, Jamie Harrell, thank you for accompanying me. Sa mga marunong magbisaya, siya po ay isang Bisaya. Hindi siya mukhang Bisaya, but i-testing nyo, kaya yan. First and foremost, I'd like to thank each and everyone who has made this P2C possible. I recall, Yorme, I visited you on October 15 to beg and request that you welcome us dito po sa ating City Hall. And you were so proud to tell me that you are original KB. And your mother was a loyalist and you were there when President Marcos Sr. returned. I was not there. I was born po in 1988. Yorme and I are of different generations, but we see eye to eye. Manila is truly lucky to have Yorme Isko. We need more leaders like Yorme, a self-made man who has improved so much, yet dreams to do so much more for Manileños. Someone like me who believes strongly in the importance of good governance and real action. Bilis kilos, hindi bilis salita. Tama po? In 2025, Isko ran on the campaign slogan, "Let's make Manila great again." Does that sound familiar? Yorme, we don't forget these things and we deeply appreciate you. Kahapon lang po, kasama ko si PBBM. Sabi ko po sa kanya, i-meet ko po si Yorme Isko bukas. Sabi niya, alam mo, magaling siya, epektibo. Pag may ini-implement sa Metro Manila, palagi daw nauuna ang City of Manila. In this sad era of flood control, allow me to conclude on a quote of our shared idol, Lee Kuan Yew. The moment key leaders are allowed to get away with corruption, the moral authority of the government is gone. We need strong and moral leaders now more than ever. And we are reminded that the power of government does not lie in the person, with all due respect, Yorme. It does not lie in the office. It lies in you, and your vote, and your trust. To our dearest Manileños, thank you. With every purchase you make here at RP2C, you are directly helping our Ilocano farmers. Hands that have toiled for centuries harvesting high-quality crops. Sa amin po, walang shortcut. We farm the right way, the old school way. We can guarantee the quality, and if not, ako na po bahala. Ako na po ang mag-exchange or mag-reimburse kung may reklamo po. We also hope to welcome all of you to Ilocos Norte. Please, please, come visit Ilocos Norte. Yorme, baka gusto po nila mag-team building sa South Beach, Pagudpud. Bias po ako, but as I always say, only in Ilocos Norte can you get a slice of Dubai in our sand dunes, a slice of Boracay in Pagudpud, and a slice of Baguio in Solsona, Apayao. Come enjoy all the sights, all the empanada, longanisa, and bagnet. This is not an empty invite. Please, please come visit Ilocos Norte. We will show you the very hospitality that you have shown us this morning. We wish the City of Manila, and most importantly, all Manileños, only the very best. May God bless the City of Manila, and may God bless each and every Manileño. Maraming salamat po.
Sa mga nangangarap na dalaga dyan, hindi na po binata si Vice Governor. Mapapasana all ka na lang, my girlfriend. So, palakpakan ulit natin, no? Ang ating minamahal na, mangyari, in return to Vice Governor sa invitation, matapos lang tong EO 110. Tingin ko naman, winding up. Hopefully nga, katulad ng panalangin kanina, noong ating nagdasal, magtino na yung sitwasyon sa sa Iran at saka Amerika, or what you call Middle East crisis. After that, pagka paupanan lahat, sabihin nyo, ayan, I authorize all your department head, magkanda kayo ng mga training seminar. Excited yan kasi lahat decline eh. Opo, dinecline ko lahat ang mga hanggat maaari. Yung mga request, in fairness naman sa inyong mga director, nag-request naman talaga kasi it's summer. But having said that, with regard to EO 110, we need to follow some measures and trying to be sensitive with the current situation for our people. But sabi nga, good things come to those who wait. Lalong-lalo na, anong petsa na ngayon?
May 4.
Ha? A4. Ilang tulog na lang. Jollibee na naman. I have something for you. Don't worry. But again, umupa lang to. Yes, we'll go. We'll go to Pagod Food. You should see Pagod Food. Ako, kinukwento ko kay Vice Governor nung medyo binat pa ako. Dinadrive ko yun nung araw. Kasi usong-uso nung 90s yung magdadrive ako hanggang... Ayun, those are the days. But again, thank you very much. Mga atabs, mga batang City Hall, bagnet, empanada, sibuyas. Ako, hinahanap ko dyan yung pinakurat, saka yung sibuyas, saka yung bagnet. Bibigay ko kay Ian Nieva. Para dumiretso na. Dire-diretso na, Ian. Hindi ka na mahirapan. Pampaliwanag ng bahay. Muli sa inyo lahat, it's another week for us to be of service to the people. And always bear in mind and in your heart, many are called, but few are chosen. You were given a chance to be of service to our people, so excel from it. Sayang yung pagkakataon makapaglingkod tayo sa ating mga kababayan. Ang dalangin ko'y manatili kayong malusog ngayong linggong to. Uminom kayo lagi ng maraming tubig, ingatan ang inyong sarili, bukod sa pagmamalasakit sa inyong sarili, para nyo na rin pinagmalasakitan ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Take care of yourself. Plus, to top it all, I need each and every one of you. I cannot do this alone. Kailangan ko kayo upang maging epesyente tayo makapaglingkod sa ating mga kababayan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Muli, magandang araw. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Kong May Kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.
At dito po nagtatapos ang ating programa. Maraming salamat po and have a blessed Monday po sa ating lahat.